Hi, so here we have Nissan Note. The problem with this vehicle is the oil is started to uh, go into the coolant, and usually the problem comes from the oil cooler. That's why I'm going to replace it. The oil cooler is located near the oil filter that is close to the alternator on this vehicle. So I'm going to remove this hose from the air filter housing. I'm going to remove this hose from the intercooler, and also I have to remove this plastic hose also from the inlet manifold and intercooler, so I can get some access to the oil cooler. I have removed this hose, disconnected the map sensor. This metal bracket is loosened. So next I'm going to remove this plastic cover. There are two bolts with 10mm wrench, and there are two plastic pins. And after that I'm going to remove this metal part over here, so I can have a lot of access for working. Here we have two bolts with 13mm wrench also on this side, and we have two bolts with 10mm wrench, and I'm going to disconnect the sensor. I have removed the plastic cover, and also now we can notice that there is pressure leaking, that hose from the intercooler is damaged, and that's why it's all greased like this. There is oil everywhere. Next I'm going to try without removing this metal bracket. I think I can manage it. I'm going to disconnect this rubber hose from the coolant radiator, and also this hose over here. I'm going to remove them, and then I will have access to the oil filter, and also to the bolt that is holding the everything together. I have removed the hoses. Also I have moved aside this valve for the turbo. So now I can open the oil filter. The oil inside the engine is clean. There is nothing inside. There is no coolant. Only the oil is in the coolant system. I'm gonna need a tool for this. I have removed the oil filter. Next I'm going to disconnect the oil pressure sensor, and I'm going to open this center bolt with a 19mm wrench. I can try from this side, or I can use some bits, and I can open it from this side. I have managed to remove the part that holds the oil filter. So next I have to open this nut with 32mm wrench to remove the oil cooler. I have opened the nut with 32mm wrench. I'm turning anti-clockwise to remove the shaft that is holding the oil cooler, sorry. So now I just have to pull out from the coolant hoses, because it's connected on a plastic pipe, and this is the oil cooler that is making all the trouble. Here I have new oil cooler that I'm going to install on the vehicle. As you can see, they are all everywhere. There are new seals. We have new seals here at the coolant, new seal here for the engine block. So now I'm going to install on the vehicle. I'm going to lubricate a little these rubber seals so I can fit it easily on the plastic hose. I have installed the oil cooler, tightened it with 32mm wrench. So now I'm going to install the aluminum part for the oil filter. I have installed and tightened the aluminum part of the oil filter with a 19mm wrench. Now I can install the oil filter. I have installed the oil filter, so now I'm going to return the hoses of the coolant. First this one, and next I'm going to install from the coolant radiator and the thermostat. I have installed all the hoses, and now I'm going to install the hoses from the intercooler. I have installed the hoses of the intercooler. I have refilled with oil. Also I have refilled with coolant, but it's still stuck. There is a bleeding hole here to bleed the air from the coolant. I have tried to put something inside, so it was little leaking, then it's stuck again. So I'm going to start the engine, and I'm going to let the engine to warm up. Also I'm going to check for any leaks here, and when the engine is hot, I'm going to put some liquid for cleaning the coolant system from the oil. I have started the engine, so now you can see it's leaking a little from the bleeding hole, and it's leaking oil because there was a lot of oil inside. I can check here for any leaks of oil or coolant. Everything is looking okay. I have to wash the engine first so I can check better, but so far everything is looking okay. It's not leaking oil. Also it's not leaking coolant on the connection of the oil cooler. So I'm going to let the engine to warm up, and after that I'm going to put some special liquid to clean the inside of the engine from the oil. I have cleaned the engine, flushed the coolant a couple of times. Now you can see it's all clear inside. The engine has been working for a while, everything is okay, everything is put back together. So this means that I am finished. If you like to see more videos, please subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and thank you for watching.